Sterilization, disinfection, antiseptic may seem like similar terms, but they have distinct meanings and purposes in the realm of microbiology. Let's begin with sterilization. Sterilization is the process of complete elimination or destruction of all forms of microbial life, that is both vegetative and spore forms, by either physical or chemical methods. One of the most common example is the autoclave that sterilize using steam under atmospheric pressure at 15 psi, 121 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Next term is disinfection. It is defined as a process of complete elimination of vegetative forms of microorganisms except the bacterial spores from inanimate objects. Examples include alcohols, hydrogen peroxide, etc. The next term is antisepsis. It is the prevention of infection on wound, living tissue, by inhibiting growth of bacteria by chemical agents like providone iodine, chlorhexidine. Next one is the germicide. It is the agent that destroys germs. It includes both antiseptics and disinfectants. The type of microorganism is identified from the prefix, example virucide, fungicide, bactericide. For example, hand wash containing providone iodine is both virucidal and bactericidal. Decontamination is a general term that usually refers to process of removal of pathogenic microorganisms from objects so that they are safe to handle or a space safe to occupy. It is often done to protect laboratory workers, the general public, and the environment, as well as to avoid release of infectious agents into the environment. And finally, cleaning. Cleaning is defined as removal of visible soil, example, organic and inorganic materials, from the surfaces and objects. It is a very important prerequisite for effective sterilization and disinfection. Thank you.